There it is. This is the one. Oh my goodness, let's go. We have breaking news. Let's go to Amber.
We had to rush to this house the moment we received word that this home is officially coming on the market. Here's what we know so far.
It has been confirmed that this home sits on 3.69 acres. And Amber, get this, it is just minutes away from Bryce Resort.
If you think that is impressive, think again. Take a look at all these buildings. That's right, there's multiple buildings.
What? Wow. Okay, thanks. It's official. The seller just confirmed that the home will be freshly painted inside and new carpet being installed.
Well, that is fantastic news for buyers who are ready to buy a home now. Unfortunately, it's bad news for those that are not ready.
Well, it's just that time of year again. It might be cold out, but this home is gonna be hot.
Whew, well, that is a relief.
We're signing off for now, but I'm Amanda Downs.
And I'm Amber Clem, and we are with
LPT Realty.